Hey, Shelly from Best Buy Canada's blog, and this past week I've been testing out the Roborock S5 Max.
This is the Roborock S5 Max. This is the third Roborock robot vacuum that I've tested, and just like the first two, this one is a sweep mop vacuum. So not only will it vacuum up your floors, all the dirt and debris, but it will also mop your floor. I actually own a Roborock robot vacuum, and the difference between this one and mine is that it has a upgraded water tank, so it has a larger supersized water tank. It offers you precise water control thanks to a pump built in, and it has a improved suction so it can pick up even more in the supersized dustbin. There are two buttons on the front of the Roborock S5 Max. One is to return your robot to home for recharge, and one is to set your robot off on a clean. The way that the Roborock S5 Max can efficiently clean your home is by creating a map of your home through just by vacuuming. So once it starts to vacuum, it begins creating this map, and that map will direct it to different zones if you set them, and it will send it on a precise journey through your house. As you can see, that's how mine is vacuuming, so that it doesn't miss any areas that you want vacuumed at all. Zones work especially well if you would just like your Roborock to spot clean, so you can just send your Roborock to that zone. There's also other settings that you can set. You can set it for carpet mode, so this vacuum will clean carpets. You can set it to do not disturb so that it doesn't turn on and the voice doesn't activate for you. There's a timer so you can set how long you'd like to clean. You can change the voice and the volume of the voice on the Roborock, and you can control it via the remote control. There's also a history of how often it cleans, how long the cleaning lasts, just so you can go back and you can take a look. But you can definitely set this vacuum for a schedule so you don't even have to think about cleaning your floors. Also show you a maintenance update in real time so that you always know if you have to clean your filter or your side brush, or if anything needs to be updated. I spent a few weeks testing out the Roborock S5 Max. I'm really impressed with the suction. It gets right up against your cupboards. You can see it's sliding right into the cracks of mine. The ultra wide dustbin has a very big opening so that it will pick up almost everything. It picked up a huge piece of Lego that I never thought could actually end up in a vacuum cleaner. It definitely wouldn't go in my canister vac. The Roborock S5 Max will vacuum carpets. It won't vacuum high pile carpets. So my carpet there, the ledge was just too high. So what it did instead was just butt up against it and then resume cleaning the floors. What I really like about the S5 Max is how it knows to top up its battery to finish cleaning. So once it has that map of your home, it will know intuitively how much left it has to clean. It will go back, it will recharge itself, and then it'll start cleaning again. Roborock S5 Max will also damp mop your floors. So here's the water container. It's a supersized water container, so it's much larger than the one on my Roborock. You fill up the water, and once you fill up the water, you put a damp mop cloth on top of the water container on the back of the Roborock. The vacuum will automatically sense that it's had the mopping attachment added, and it will tell you that, and then it will set off to mop. Mopping module enabled. Well, the Roborock mopping won't really scrub your floors the way that you would if you were washing them by hand or if you were cleaning them with a mop. It will remove the dust film that is on your floors, in addition to also vacuuming at the same time. So it's picking up dirt, it's cruising around, it's wiping the floors. I find if you pre-treat a really like sticky spot or something like that, it will lift the stain up. This is just a look at the dustbin after I had mopped, and as you can see, it's full. Filter is a HEPA filter, so every time that you empty your dustbin, you can also give it a little shake or a tap, and you can run it under water to ensure that it's clean for the next time you vacuum. I've always been very happy with my Roborock robot vacuum, and I think that the S5 Max has some great upgrades. When it's mopping, it will eject the precise amount of water, so you can adjust that within the app, so you can always set it for max saturation, and you can definitely see the water streaks on the floor as it mops. It's got rugged tires so it can cruise over all sorts of terrain, and the brushes and the sensor, this like the brush at the top there with the attachments, they're all easy to clean, easy to remove. You don't have to really struggle to remove the components on this, so if your brush gets dirty and you want to clean it, just pop it out and cut any loose fibers or anything out from it, and you're ready to go again. I had used the vacuum for a few days, the map was created, and after that, I don't feel like it really missed a spot. Like I've never walked past something and said, oh, there's a pile of dirt here. The Roborock can go around the furniture and everything, and it efficiently got rid of all of the dirt and debris on the floor. I think Roborock makes a great robot vacuum, and I highly recommend the Roborock S5 Max. You can find my full written review of this cool robot vacuum on Best Buy Canada's blog. Thanks for watching.